Farming almonds might sound simple, just plant a tree, wait, and pick the nuts. But in reality, it's a complex and demanding process that requires patience, knowledge, and a deep connection to the land. Every step from planting to harvest is carefully planned and executed by skilled farmers who know that success is never guaranteed. California's Central Valley is the only place in the world where all the right conditions come together for almonds to truly thrive. This vast region stretches for hundreds of miles, and it's here that the magic happens year after year. The soil in the Central Valley is deep, rich, and perfectly balanced. It drains just right, never too soggy, never too dry, providing almond trees with the ideal foundation to grow strong and healthy. The roots can stretch deep, drawing up nutrients and water that are essential for producing high-quality nuts. Without this specific type of earth, the entire operation simply wouldn't work. Almond trees are picky, and they demand the best. But soil is only part of the story. The climate is just as important, and California delivers in a way few other places can. Almond trees need cool, wet winters to rest and recharge, followed by long, hot, dry summers to fuel their growth and nut production. These seasonal shifts are crucial for the tree's health and productivity. California's Mediterranean climate delivers both, year after year, with a predictability that almond farmers have come to rely on. The rhythm of the seasons is like a natural clock, guiding every stage of the almond's life cycle. Too much or too little chill in winter and the trees won't produce enough blossoms or nuts. The balance has to be just right, or the harvest will suffer. And when it comes to summer, rain is the enemy. A sudden downpour can bring mold and disease, threatening to wipe out an entire crop in a matter of days. But in California, the sun shines bright, and the rain stays away when it matters most, creating the perfect environment for almonds to ripen and mature. This unique mix of fertile soil, abundant sunshine, and perfectly timed seasons has made California the undisputed almond capital of the world, producing more almonds than any other place on Earth. In fact, over 80% of the world's almonds come from this one state. That's a staggering number, and it shows just how special California's environment really is. It's not just luck, it's a perfect partnership between nature and agriculture, where farmers and the land work together in harmony to produce something truly remarkable. Farmers here have learned to read the land, to understand its rhythms and respond to its needs. They know when to irrigate, when to prune, and when to harvest, all based on generations of experience. Over time, they've built an entire industry on these environmental gifts, investing in technology and sustainable practices to ensure the future of almond farming. It's a tough, dirty job that requires hard work and dedication, but California's farmers do it better than anyone else, year after year. So the next time you enjoy a handful of almonds, remember, they almost certainly came from California, the perfect home for almonds, where nature and people work together to bring you this delicious, nutritious nut. Growing an almond tree is a long-term commitment, not a quick win. It's a journey that requires vision, patience, and a willingness to invest years before seeing the true rewards. Each mighty tree you see today began as a tiny seed, nurtured with hope and care. The process begins in a nursery where seeds are carefully planted and watched over as they sprout into delicate saplings. Here, every seedling receives the attention it needs, watered, protected, and monitored for healthy growth. After about a year of careful nurturing, these young trees are ready to leave the nursery. They're transplanted into the open orchards, where they'll face the elements and begin their next stage of life. For the first few years in the orchard, the trees demand constant care, regular watering, balanced nutrients, and vigilant protection from pests and disease. Every detail matters, as these early years set the stage for the tree's future health. Pruning is essential, shaping each tree so that sunlight can reach every branch and leaf. This careful sculpting helps the tree grow strong and productive, ensuring that it can support the weight of future harvests. This hands-on work, repeated season after season, lays the foundation for the tree's entire life. It's a process that can't be rushed or skipped. It takes 3 to 4 years before a tree produces its very first modest crop of almonds. These first nuts are a sign of progress, a reward for years of effort and care. True maturity and the tree's peak production comes only after 6 or 7 years. At this stage, the orchard is alive with the promise of abundant harvests. Throughout the tree's life, farmers are constantly monitoring the soil, checking the leaves and adjusting irrigation systems. They adapt to changing conditions, always striving to keep the trees healthy and productive. A healthy almond tree can produce nuts for about 25 years, offering decades of harvests if cared for properly. That's decades of hard work, perseverance, and resilience, weathering droughts, storms, and the unpredictable challenges of nature. The journey from seed to nut is slow, demanding, and full of obstacles. But it's also deeply rewarding, as each tree stands as a testament to years of dedication. Farmers aren't just growing a crop, they're nurturing a living thing, building a legacy that will last for generations. It's a job that requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to get your hands dirty every single day. The bond between farmer and tree is built on trust and care. And it all starts with a single seed full of potential, waiting for the right hands to help it grow into something mighty. Every February, California's almond orchards burst into bloom, a breathtaking sea of white and pink that stretches as far as the eye can see. The landscape transforms almost overnight, signaling the start of a crucial season for both farmers and nature. These delicate blossoms aren't just beautiful, they're the most critical part of the almond cycle. Each flower holds the promise of a future almond, but only if nature's process unfolds perfectly. For these flowers to become almonds, they need pollination. That's where honeybees come in, playing a starring role in this natural drama. Almond trees can't pollinate themselves, they rely entirely on bees. Without these tiny pollinators, the trees would remain barren and the cycle would break. As bees collect nectar, they brush against the blossoms, transferring pollen from flower to flower. This simple act is what makes almonds possible, turning potential into reality. Without bees, there would be no almonds, no crop at all. The entire industry depends on their tireless work during this short window. The scale is staggering, trillions of blossoms need pollinating in just a few weeks. It's a race against time, and every blossom counts. Local bees can't handle the sheer volume alone. That's why beekeepers from all over the country load up their hives and travel thousands of miles, bringing billions of bees to California's orchards. This is the world's largest managed pollination event, an extraordinary collaboration between agriculture and nature, unmatched anywhere else. Farmers pay beekeepers for their services, and in return, the bees get a feast of nectar and pollen at a time when little else is blooming. It's a win-win partnership that benefits everyone involved. But this partnership is fragile. The almond industry's future depends on healthy, thriving bees. Disease, pesticides, and environmental changes all threaten this delicate balance. Even with the latest technology and machinery, high-tech farming still relies on nature's smallest workers. No machine can replace the humble bee. The health of almonds and bees is deeply connected. When bees thrive, so do the orchards, and ultimately so do we. Without this partnership, the whole system falls apart. No bees means no almonds, and a vital food source disappears. This natural alliance doesn't just support local farmers, it feeds people all over the world. California almonds are shipped globally, nourishing millions. And it all happens in just a few short weeks each year, a fleeting yet powerful reminder of how interconnected our world truly is. By late summer, almond hulls split open, the signal for harvest. Today, machines do the heavy lifting. The tree shaker grabs each trunk and shakes almonds loose in seconds. What once took hours by hand now happens in a flash. The nuts dry on the ground for a week or two, soaking up the sun. Next, sweepers brush almonds into neat rows, kicking up clouds of dust. Finally, harvesters vacuum up the nuts, dirt, and debris into carts. It's a noisy, dusty, and perfectly choreographed process. Shake, sweep, pick up, 3 steps to harvest billions of pounds. The air fills with dust, but the job gets done fast. This mechanical ballet is the only way to bring in such a massive crop. It's hard, dirty work, but it's the heartbeat of almond season, and it all happens in a matter of weeks. Once harvested, almonds head to the processing plant, still mixed with dirt, rocks, and hulls. The first step is cleaning. Vibrating screens and conveyor belts separate out debris. Fans blow away leaves and dust, leaving mostly almonds in their shells. Next, hulling and shelling machines crack open the tough layers, freeing the nut inside. It's a delicate balance. Too much force crushes the nut, too little leaves it trapped. Byproducts like hulls and shells are recycled for animal feed and bedding. After shelling, almonds go through high-speed optical sorters. These machines scan every nut, removing any that don't meet quality standards. Human inspectors provide a final check. What started as a dusty pile is now clean, sorted almonds ready for market. It's a process powered by clever engineering and attention to detail. Every step ensures only the best nuts make it to your table. From field to factory, it's a journey of transformation, and it all happens at lightning speed. Technology has revolutionized almond farming. Smart irrigation systems use soil sensors and weather data to deliver water precisely where it's needed. Drones and satellite imagery help farmers spot problems before they spread. Precision agriculture means treating each part of the orchard differently, saving resources and boosting yields. Modern tree shakers adjust their intensity for each tree, protecting trunks and maximizing harvest. GPS-guided harvesters drive in perfect lines, missing nothing. In the plant, optical sorters use cameras and sensors to inspect thousands of nuts per second. This tech ensures only the best almonds reach the store. Efficiency, quality, and sustainability, all powered by innovation. From orchard to factory, technology is the silent partner in every almond's journey. It's the future of farming, happening right now. Even with all the tech, almond farming is a gamble. Weather is the biggest wild card. A late frost can wipe out a crop overnight. Farmers use wind machines and sprinklers to fight frost, but it's always a risk. Water is another challenge. Almonds need a lot, and California often faces drought. Drip irrigation and water-saving tech help, but shortages are a constant worry. Pests and diseases threaten orchards, so farmers use integrated pest management, combining natural predators, traps, and minimal pesticides. Dust from harvest is a problem too for workers and neighbors. New equipment and slower driving help reduce dust. Every season brings new challenges. Farmers adapt, innovate, and keep going. It's a tough job, but they face it head on. That's the reality behind every almond you eat. No farmer does this alone. California's almond industry runs on teamwork. Organizations like the Almond Board of California unite farmers, researchers, and processors. They invest in research on water use, bee health, and sustainability. Innovations are shared quickly so everyone benefits. This spirit of collaboration keeps the industry strong and adaptable. California almonds are exported to over 90 countries, fueling jobs and economies worldwide. With global reach comes responsibility. Farmers work to reduce their environmental impact and ensure worker well-being. The industry is always pushing for better practices. It's more than just growing nuts, it's about feeding the world responsibly. Science, teamwork, and innovation drive the industry forward. Every almond is the result of a community working together. It's a big job, but one they take seriously. And it all starts in the Central Valley. Next time you eat an almond, remember its journey. From a tiny seed in California's soil to a global snack, it's a story of patience, teamwork, and innovation. Farmers, bees, machines, and technology all play a part. Behind every nut is hard work, resilience, and a bit of luck. The almond story is the story of modern agriculture, complex, challenging, and essential. It's a reminder that our food comes from real people and real places. Every bite connects you to a world of effort and ingenuity. Respect the journey and the people who make it possible. Because feeding the world is never simple, but it's always worth it.